Welcome to the Complete Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Course 2017. I'm honoured that you're here. My name is Supoman, your superhero on Udemy. In this course, I am going to show you how Facebook marketing has helped me so much with growing my online business. And I'm going to show you first proof of that in this lecture. So what I'm going to attempt to do in this course is show you in the first 8 lectures the best of what I have learned on Facebook, the absolute power strategies that have enabled me to grow my business, and then in the following 10 hours of lectures you are going to see step by step how you can implement the exact steps for your Facebook ads and adapt them for your business. So the first thing I'm going to show you right now is that I have got an audience of 203,000 people on Facebook. So when I post a status or go live on Facebook, people will see me and people can react, they can comment, they can share, and they can spread it out organically to other people on Facebook. So that's the power of this. Another way that Facebook has been absolutely pivotal to growing my online business is through my Udemy courses. So I am an online instructor, as you know, and thanks to Facebook, I have been able to promote my courses successfully. 9 months ago, I got started on this platform and was nowhere to be seen. And then all of a sudden, once I turned on my Facebook ads, boom, all of a sudden I started doing well. $13,000 achieved this year in a very saturated marketplace where social media has already got a load of social media instructors. I have managed to forge myself through my own promotions, because without my promotions I would probably have half of this. And to show you an example, if we go back to October, my Udemy organic sales, which is traffic driven by Udemy, was $550 that month. In my promotions, it was $619, so it was more that I made with my own promotions. So it just goes to show that with your own promotions, you can do so well. So Facebook ads has been a pivotal reason why I'm here. And let me show you another. YouTube. My YouTube channel at this moment has 120,000 subscribers. That's a massive channel. There aren't many channels that have this many subscribers. I'm in the top 0.03% of all YouTubers with this subscriber count. Now let me show you how I've done this. This is my Facebook page. This week alone, I have reached 193,000 people. And let me show you what I do on my Facebook page. I film live tutorials and I sell my Facebook ads via the tutorial. So this was an ads tutorial that I did, and I put my Facebook course with it, and then I've put an ad on this and promoted it to 37,000 people. This one, my YouTube course, how I built my account to 120,000 with 20,000 plus in earnings. I have put this out to 165,000 people with a coupon to my course. Then if we go down a little further, you can see I've been advertising my Python course. I've also just put some YouTube videos and encourage people to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is why you see 120,000 subscribers. So you can also see here, by going live on Facebook, I was able to reach 541,000 people organically. I didn't have to pay any money on this. This is one of Facebook marketing's best ever tools. 541,000 people reached, 333 reactions, 900 comments, 93 shares. Gives you an indication of the amazing power of what Facebook can do for you. So here is my proof. My Facebook page audience, my Udemy earnings, my YouTube channel subscribers. All of this has been with help of Facebook and being able to promote myself to the 1.6 million people on Facebook's platform to find me, to know me, to trust me, to buy from me. So Facebook has been pivotal for this. So I hope that you enjoy the lectures coming up, and I will see you in the next one.